Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to confirm your PayPal bank account. First, log in to your PayPal account from a secure browser or the official app. Navigate to the Wallet section, which is usually found at the top or side of your dashboard. Then, select the bank account you wish to confirm and follow the on-screen prompts to start the verification process. This initiates the crucial next step for full account access. After you initiate the confirmation, PayPal will send 2 very small deposits to your linked bank account. You should expect to see these unique amounts appear within 1 to 3 business days, sometimes sooner. Carefully check your bank statement, either online or paper, for these 2 distinct deposit entries. They are usually less than $1 each, and they serve as your verification code. Once you have located those 2 small deposits on your bank statement, return to your PayPal account. Go back to the Wallet section and select the bank account that you are in the process of confirming. You will then be prompted to accurately enter the exact amounts of the 2 deposits you received. It is important to input these figures precisely as they appeared in your bank account. After you correctly enter both deposit amounts, your bank account will be instantly confirmed. You will typically see a success message on your screen and potentially receive an email notification. This means your PayPal account now has full sending and withdrawal capabilities, removing previous limits. You can now confidently use your linked bank for seamless transactions and fund transfers with complete peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.